Today we are going to introduce the software of the profile projector. You can see there are some parts in the software. The first part is image part. You can see the image in these windows. And now I change the zoom. You can see the magnification has been changed. The zoom lens is the electronic feedback zoom lens. It can change and feedback automatically. And this is the reader of the x-axis and y-axis. This is to control the light source. Click this button and click the button light button. And change the value, you can see the button light have been changed. When you click here, you can control the surface light. Click off, you can turn off the light. Click this button is to control the different zoom of the light. This is the graphic. Scan, map, report, and model. And this part is the toolbox. And now I will show you how to build a coordinate. Use this tool to find the line. Double click to form a line. You can see the graphic here and the data here. Select the two lines to form an original point. You can see the point 1 here. Choose line 1 and line 2 to screw the coordinate. You now can see the line 1 and line 2 has been screwed. Finally, we have to save the coordinate system. You can see the coordinate has been built. Now I will show you how to measure the circles. Click this button, can press 3 points to build a circle. Double click to build a circle. You can see the diameter here. Double click here. You can choose the elements that you want to output. Double click and change the M to Y. That means you can output these elements. Now we get line 3 and line 4. Choose the two lines to calculate the distance. Click this button to calculate the distance. You can choose different distances in the program. We now choose the two lines to form angles. If we have a large line, we can use this button to form a large line. Double click to get a line and rotate the x-axis and get the second line and enter. You can see you have formed line 7 based on the two line. And this button is the same way to form a large circle outside of the screen. Another quick circle measurement. Just one click. The software can identify the circle. Just one click. And it's the same way to measure the distance between the two circles. And now we can try to run the program. You can see the graphic, and we have to find the line 1. Double click. Double click. And the coordinate have been built. And next element is the circle. Also double click. You can see an arrow in the image part and remind you to find the line 3. Double click. When the program is done, you can see the Excel report is outputted.